Well, what do we have here? Now, these are, well, actually they're for fridges as well, but they're little pygmy bulbs, and they're not dimmable, but I don't have a dimmer on the light that this is going in. What I am going to have to do though, because I've got to switch the light off, is put on this and see that one. So this has been coming a while. This is a sort of a 40, well, depending on what you read, sort of 25 to 40 watt equivalent, but this is apparently a 25. And let's see. Switch. Oh, it's pretty dim. Just for a little ambient lighting. Yeah, it will do. It's, you know what, it's, a dimmer would be better, then you get it exactly the way you want. But what's good about it is it's kind of quite cozy for watching a movie. Could have done with perhaps being a bit yellower. But anyway, there you go. Job done. And it is doing something, because if I switch it off, it's quite white compared to the pygmy over here. But it's okay. It's okay. What I was doing before, I mean, they don't generate a lot of heat, the LED bulbs, but what I was doing before was putting a bit of paper or something over it, which it's just not a good habit to get into, even if it doesn't get warm. It's just got the feeling that it can do something. Anyway, these I'll put a link. I think there was £6.95 for two of them. They're not dimmable. They're 15 watt equivalent. I think it's 2 watts or something. So this one, which just about fit in there, that was 2.5, 3 watts or something like that. So maybe this is 1.5 watts. Anyway, there was about a 40 watt one in there, incandescent, so it's a bit of an energy saving as well. But anyway, that's what they are. Just the one, and dimmable, so that if and when I do get some sort of dimmer in there, it would work without me having to change the bulb. Would have been good. These things tend to last forever, so getting the spare one is like a bit almost unnecessary really. But anyway, it came as a pack of two, £6.95. I'll put a link in the description. Got it from Amazon next day, and there we are. That will do the job. So there it is, another low voltage LED, and it's getting just about almost, other than the halogen, you know, ceiling lights. I think that's just about everything now. Oh yeah, that will apparently go in a fridge, that other one, but I haven't checked the size of mine. I know I've had my fridge a long time. The bulb I don't think has ever gone, so I'll just leave it. I mean, anyway, whatever. So there it is. Share, comment, like, subscribe, all the rest of it. I will summarise at some point all of the different LEDs, because it's quite remarkable, this property. It's got every single light fitting seems to be a slightly different size, shape or phenomena. And then there are things like, if you've got dimmers, the dimmers have got to be LED compatible, and the LEDs have got to be dimmer compatible. So it gets, and they're quite difficult to find, the dimmable ones. You have to really read almost like the small print. So it's not as straightforward as we do this little conversion. And who knows, there's bound to be something other than LED will come along the line just when we got used to this. And we wonder why we went through all the palaver. But anyway, there it is. Drops the energy usage down. They run cooler, they run smoother. You've got to get the color temperatures right for the mood that you want in the room, stuff like that. But check out the other videos for information on that. All right, cheers guys, thanks, bye.